First, to create a drawing for manufacturing, go to the Workspace menu and choose Drawing from Design. Then, under Representation, choose Flat Pattern. Set the standard to ASME. Change the units to inches. And select sheet size B. Click OK. Once the drawing view opens, in the Drawing View dialog, set the scale to 1:1. Place the flat pattern onto the sheet, and click OK. Next, to create a bend table to help with manufacturing, go to the Tables group and click Table. In the Table dialog, make sure the type is set to Bend Table. Position the table in the upper right corner of the sheet. You'll notice that identification numbers are added to the flat layout. Some numbers might be hard to see, so click on a number and drag the control point to move it. You might want to renumber the bend identifiers in order of the bending sequence. In the Tables menu, select Renumber. Now click the flat pattern numbers in the order you want to rearrange them. You'll see the table update automatically. Lastly, if you want to show a folded view of the outlet box on the drawing, add a base view. In the Create group, click Base View. Then in the Drawing View dialog, set the orientation to Northeast Isometric View and the scale to 1:1. Click on the drawing to place the view and click OK. Save your drawing and close the Drawing tab when you're done.